So finally we get it right here. I wait 10 months. What it is? It's the famous Steam Deck. So this one is the version 512 solid state drive. I ordered this thing July 16. That was the release day, 2021. So 10 months later, finally I got it right in my house. We're gonna have an open box right now. So I didn't pick anything. Actually, my wife took the tape, but I didn't want to pick. Let me see the reaction. Let's do that all together. Let's go and let's pick the high end of the Steam Deck. This is the 512 version. Let's do that right now. All right, so how we doing, everyone? I'm Dario from MEDIABOXENT, and finally today we have the open box of the Steam Deck. This is the 512 version. But first, subscribe right now to MEDIABOXENT by hitting right there in the side and the notification bell. Why? Because it's going to help you on your next Steam Deck. So let's do it right now and let's have a pick of this great portable game machine. All right, so we took all the packaging out. All right, so we have the transformer right here and the carrying case. Now, this is the version, I would say the version 3 or the high-end version. So this one has the premium carrying case. Now, it has a seal from valve. So if you try to open, so we have to cut this out. That's pretty cool. All right, so let's go and let's break the seal and let's check the famous Steam Deck. Okay, we are ready. The time of truth, the Steam Deck. Let's open this up. We're gonna see it all together, guys. All together. This is the first time I just broke the seal, and I want to see this thing, how cool it is. Can't wait to plug it in and play some cool games. All right. Wow. Man, this thing is cool. Wow. Nice screen. Wow. Big. Steam. All right, let's look all around. Check this out. Let's change cameras. Cool open box, right? Right there. Okay, let's put this on the side. So what else we have right here? All right, so this is for cleaning and pretty simple. This is the carrying case. All right, so let's go over some of the configuration of the Steam Deck of the one we have right here. So there are three versions first. I want to go over this thing. So we have three versions. So we got the 399 and 64 gigabytes. So you have the eMMC. So that's the top, the storage, and comes with the carrying case. All right. By the way, it's available now. If you want it, you can reserve that, and you get it in the third quarter. So you're looking somewhere in October. Then it's the faster version, 529, and you're looking at a 256 gigabyte. And now we have the NVMe in solid state drive, and you're looking now PCI Express, the version 3 and 4. So it's much faster. So you got the faster storage, you got the carrying case, and exclusive Steam and community profile bundle. I know when I bought it just now, they give me some points and all this stuff. So let's see what happens. I'm not sure when, maybe when I activate these things, it's something changes in my profile. I'm not sure of that yet. So this one, the 512. So we have the solid state drive, the faster version. So you got faster storage. So they have the premium in anti-glare. So maybe it's already add on into it. I will think, because I have not seen the other one. This is the first time for me. So exclusive carrying case. So I'm not sure how the other one looks like. And again, we have the exclusive Steam community profile and exclusive virtual keyboard theme. So we got to turn around for that. I thought it will have some type of protection on it, but that's what it is. This is for cleaning. And I will say that from the other side, it has to be just to put the transformer. So definitely this has to, by the way, let's look that out. And I think this it has to be for this. No question that this is for this. So yes, this, and I think that's what it stands for. Yes. So you can carry the power supply right there. So my first look looks pretty cool. Let's change cameras back again if we can really see what the case look like again. And sure, we want to keep this inside when we finish. And they got this cool thing just to clean the Steam Deck. All right, so let's take a look at the Steam Deck. Big screen. I do have the Switch, so let's compare with the Switch. It feels, yeah, we can see the difference between the Switch. Yeah, much bigger the screen. All right, so the thing is we have to turn it on, but today it's an open box. I want to look the detail. My first impression looks real cool. It's not a heavy. I think it just weighs a little bit, maybe like the Switch, if I have to think about it for a second. This one, I'm not sure. There had to be some type of keypad right over here. All right, so we have all the analog and also we have the normal buttons we see in the Switch, but also we have L4 and L5 right there on the side. Check it out, right there. You see that there? Now this one has array microphone, Bluetooth 5.0. I will think that has to be the speakers. Now we can see volume control, headphones. Right here, there's the cooling. It's going to use a USB Type-C for charging, power, LED, the buttons. It does feel real nice holding the hand. I have no problem. I think it will be easy to play the game. Sure, I need to power it up and test this thing up, but I think it looks super great. I waited 10 months for this. Now the cool thing, a few things we can do. Now they do have the driver, so you can run Windows here now. And if I will do that, I'm not sure. I think for me, it's just to go there and play some cool games. I want to play some retro games like Half-Life. And one thing I will definitely try this. I do have the VR system, so I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna see if I can really play Half-Life Alyx through the VR system, right, with the Oculus Quest 2 and hook it up here. Let's see what happens. That's one of my tests I want to do, and I want to bring here in the channel. All right, guys, so that's it for today. This is a cool open box. I will bring my next video. I'm going to depend more on the technical side and power it up and share my experience on the Steam Deck. So that will be my next video. So make sure you subscribe. Follow MEDIABOXENT because real soon we're going to bring the tech side of the Steam Deck. We're going to be testing out with the Oculus Quest, see if I can do that as well too, and connect it and play Half-Life Alyx and much more. And I'll see you next time. Bye.